You feel it? It's real low right now.
It gets
don't
more
real low it.
lower.
I just want to make sure he's got the connections in the right places. All right, fine. Now jack it all the way up.
Jack it up. Give me the juice. Give me the juice. Drink. That's awesome. You gotta drink your beer, right? Hit it with all the juice.
It's all the way.
That's just halfway, Rich. That was halfway. That's awesome.
Oh man.
Fresh batteries.
Oh, you had all 4 of them on there. I only had 2.
We ain't playing, Kay. We're not playing around.
Where's the plunger in case you go down? We have to give you mouth to mouth.
The plunger.
Right.
A plunger?
Let me open up a fresh can. All right, kids, I'm going to step back in case I sling beer.
Better have a
Oh,
napkin.
shit. Let me get back. Get an umbrella.
All right, hit me with the juice. You roll. Ah! Oh!
Fresh batteries make a difference.
Woo! Fresh batteries make a difference. Ah! Oh, my hand wants to. It's intermittent.
I know.
Save the tip.
Ah! Let's just. Ah! Ah! Oh! Oh! I got it. Oh my gosh! Look at my hand. I got no control over that hand. There it goes. It don't really hurt. It just kind
Oh,
of.
the hell it down.
That's crazy. Oh. Well, I can do lots. I can drink. Go ahead. Hit the juice. Oh. Fresh batteries, huh?
Yeah.
That's the trick. Look at that.